In this video, we're taking a closer look on the everyday events that truckers encounter while on the road. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dashcam Time. Before the video starts, YouTube analytics show that a majority of our viewers are not subscribed. So, if you guys enjoy and find value, consider subscribing for more. This trucker was traveling on I-80 westbound in Gary, Indiana. He noticed a red pickup truck hauling a camper coming up from behind. As they were passing, the red pickup decided to merge into his lane very early and caused a sideswipe collision. As this trucker was preparing to pull aside on the road to exchange information, he noticed the pickup wasn't stopping. He continued to honk at them, but there was no response. And that's when this trucker realized it was a hit-and-run incident. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to catch him, and it's unknown if the driver was found or not. In this incident, Chris was parked at a truck stop in North Carolina. As he was enjoying a break from the road, a white pickup, hauling a trailer of new vehicles, took their turn in the lot very short and collided into his parked semi. They attempted to adjust their position, but just made the situation worse. According to Chris, the driver fled the scene and has not been caught yet. Remember, when operating a vehicle, be sure you are aware of your surroundings when turning in tight spots, especially with larger vehicles. Unfortunately, Chris also encountered another hit-and-run incident on the road. He was traveling in the right lane when he saw an impatient semi coming up from behind and didn't realize their exit was coming up. So, the semi decides to go for the exit at the last second and runs into this trucker. Thankfully, the driver was caught but not charged. This is why you need to pay attention to signs and upcoming exits during your route to prevent any confusion for yourself and other drivers. Do you think the truck driver should have been charged? In this clip, this truck driver happens to catch a bad accident. They noticed a car drifting off the road on the left side, tried to correct it, but ended up losing complete control of the vehicle and rolling it multiple times. Unfortunately, there is no information on what exactly caused them to go off the road. In summary, this trucker claims that you need to pay attention on the road because they witness this too much as truck drivers. Just like everyone else, truck drivers sometimes make mistakes too, such as this incident where a driver forgets to set their brakes at a truck stop. What would you have done if you were the guy in the yellow truck and saw a semi heading directly to you? Quite often, truck drivers will get cut off on the road or perhaps get involved with attempted insurance fraud. This clip is a great example of why you must always be prepared for sudden stops, unsignaled turns, swerving, and any other type of reckless driving behavior. On US 280, this loaded semi approaches an intersection where he sees a vehicle beginning to inch forward. At the last second, the vehicle pulls out and slows their speed directly in this truck driver's path, nearly causing a rear-end collision. What do you think? Possible insurance fraud? Many truckers also run into cars who drive carelessly, especially with this car that decided to wait till the last second to cut right in front of this semi. as casual commuters always maintain safe distance prior to changing lanes. Here, Richard was traveling through an area with dense fog. As he proceeded, he was alerted about the accident ahead and decided to stay at low speeds. Moments later, a pileup of semis appeared, causing traffic to stop completely.
Oh, this is really bad. Everybody stop. It's completely blocked, and you're going to come to an immediate stop.
After he had stopped, Richard was very nervous about getting rear-ended from other drivers.
Where's that? Coming down southbound towards Comstock. Road's completely blocked. Stop.
In Ontario, Canada, this truck driver was on 401 eastbound express when a Malibu began to pass him on the right. As the Malibu driver failed to pay attention ahead, he made the last-minute decision to switch lanes, but also wasn't aware of this trucker either. According to this trucker, he only noticed the brake lights but not the turn signal. The Malibu driver was ruled at fault before he even informed them that he had video footage. As this trucker approached an intersection, he realized the yellow light and knew there was no time for him to follow through. However, an upcoming semi behind failed to brake in time and narrowly missed a car crossing. In this incident, an impatient white car has the urge to pass this semi, without realizing their exit is only a couple meters away. So, they decided to cut off this semi, barely making the exit.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Take it back here.
Yeah.
This is obviously
As a trucker, you need to watch for these kinds of drivers.
a lot of streamers.
In this clip, a speeding trucker takes on a corner too fast, causing them to veer into this truck driver's lane. Luckily, he saw them in time and was able to avoid the head-on collision. Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.